Well, in case you hadn't heard, the auction for the classic car collection in Kearney, Nebraska ended today. Supposedly, the Classic Car Collection Museum will carry on, but I think it's safe to say it's going to be a shell of what it was, considering they auctioned off 140 cars. My personal favorite of all the cars in the auction was this 1954 Pontiac Star Chief. It sold for a mere $15,250 plus fees. No, I did not buy it, but somebody got a good deal. I wouldn't be the least bit surprised if this vehicle doesn't show up at a higher end auction like Mecum or Barrett Jackson within the next year. For that price, I can't blame the new owner for trying to flip it. I don't know if the color of this car is what you call orange creamsicle, but it's certainly a cream puff.